Welcome back to episode 5 of Ambition Strikes. In this episode, we ski Steamboat Springs, explore some epic hot springs, and find ourselves caught in some sketchy road conditions. I'm Courtney, and that's my husband Riley. Driven by a desire to learn new skills and challenge ourselves, we spent 3 months building our version of the ultimate expedition vehicle. With the build coming to an end, it's time to hit the road and spend every second we can skiing, mountain biking, and sharing our passion for building things. So buckle up and follow along, because this is Ambition Strikes.
Just got on the gondola in Steamboat. Looking forward to a first day in Colorado.
It's warm.
It's very warm. We're super overdressed. What are you up to?
Working. Then drinking beer.
Beer? Beer? I've talked to her boss about that. All right, we're working on getting this van unstuck, and Courtney's got the treads. And now we're gonna give it a go. Courtney, you film, I'm gonna push.
Okay. I think I'm gonna have to push too. We're gonna both push. Are you ready?
Yep.
Woo!
I found an ideal dump site.
Porta potty! Time to dump the poo. Really though, a lot of public restrooms are closed in winter, so porta potties are. It's a combo lock, and I think he's trying the most commonly used combos right now. 1111 0000 defeat. We gotta find somewhere to dump it because it's full. Alright, we found porta potties that don't have locks on them. Success?
Mission accomplished. Second day at Steamboat today, and it's our 12th day this season. It's been pretty darn epic.
Fingers crossed, you can't tell, but my fingers are crossed that it snows today.
Exciting day. We just got our LTE modem / router. This guy takes a SIM card to provide data to the truck, so we'll have Wi-Fi all the time in the truck.
And it means that the truck is always gonna have internet, so when we're off doing things, we can check in on the dogs, check the thermostat, stuff like that.
We now hold the power of the internet in our hands.
Where the heck are you gonna mount that Mickey Mouse thing?
I'm gonna try just putting it inside a cabinet to hide it, and we'll see if that affects our signal. This is Riley's cabinet of junk. And Riley gets the power of the internet in his cabinet. So this guy actually can take 12 volts, so we're going to end up wiring it into our battery system so it's on even if the inverter's off. I'm hungry and I want to eat.
Oh.
I'm hungry and I want to eat.
It's National Pizza Day. Someone on the lifts told us it's National Pizza Day, and Riley is obsessing over pizza, so we're just gonna put this together hobbled for now, and we're gonna go get some pizza. Oh gosh, no. No. I didn't wear my snow pants. I got snow down my boots. Spoon. Oh! We are going to the Strawberry Park Hot Springs, and I am so excited.
It's like the most developed hot spring we've ever seen. This place is pretty cool. This one's cold.
The road has turned to straight ice. It's very steep and none of us can get out. So I think we're gonna chain up. There's a Grand Cherokee trying to go right now, but we've both slid down the hill once already, so let's see how this goes. We are going to put our chains on and hopefully make it out of here. The first time we went up, we ended up spinning around a 360 and Riley got us pointed back down the hill and we drove out of it. We don't want that to happen again, so we're gonna put the chains on.
I told Courtney one of these nights, you know, in the campground when it's nice out, we should bust the chains out and try them out. So here we are, stuck, trying the chains out.
This is mildly stressful, also kind of exciting, depending how you want to look at it.
The 360 on the hill was certainly exciting. All right.
That's it.
One side down.
We had a little debate on whether or not we should put the chains on the front or the rear. We decided the rear because we have more traction back here because of the camper. Maybe that's the right call, maybe it's not. We'll find out. Best case scenario, we make it up the hill. Worst case scenario, we slide off the hill on the side of the cliff. So we're gonna hope for best case scenario. Medium case scenario would be we spin around again and can drive back down.
So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna take a couple laps around the parking lot and then check them and make sure they still seem good.
Okay. Are we good?
Well guys, the chains look good. And as the guy that works here said, you just gotta pretend to be Ricky Bobby. So here we go.
It's a lot different, you guys, when you're driving your house. Riley? Now Ricky Bobby. Ricky Bobby! Ricky Bobby! Woo! We made it.
All right. Oh, chains are awesome. I think chains make you invincible.
Shut up. Someone skinned it out right here. See that?
Someone did something right here.
There's no tracks going off the hill, so that's good. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys the recap now that we're not fighting.
Oh, someone
slid a lot right here too.
And we are too. We're sliding.
We're sliding. Nice
No,
and
we're
easy.
good now.
We're good. They didn't go off.
They didn't go off the edge. But they slid all over the place.
All the way down this. We made some friends in the hot spring. They were in a Grand Cherokee with some meaty, like 32-inch BFGs. They were in front of us and they were leaving. And they kind of slowed down and we weren't really sure why. And then they started sliding back down the hill towards us and they did 3 360s.
At least 3.
And that was the point where we realized, holy cow.
I was focused on backing up so they didn't run into us.
Riley backed up so that they didn't run into us. They gave it another run with all of the skinny pedal and they were able to get up the hill. We put our chains on, we made it up, but it looks like they did some more sliding coming out again. But we haven't seen any tracks that went off the road, so I think they're okay. That's my ghost story. We made it into town. It was a little bit stressful. It got really hot today. I think it was 45 degrees.
Yeah, everything was melting.
And everything melted, and now it's freezing and snowing, and the conditions are pretty bad. So I'm glad we're not trying to drive anywhere else tonight. We're gonna go bunker down at our campsite.
A nice relaxing trip to the hot springs. Just turned a little less relaxing.
There's always some adventure involved with us, but that's okay. We made it out. Our friends made it out. We don't know their names. So my computer cabinet up here currently doesn't have a latch. It was on the list. Riley hit the hill pretty good with the chains on so that we wouldn't stall and slide, and my stuff is everywhere now.
Why is your passport on the counter?
It's literally everywhere. My passport,
Toothbrush charger.
my toothbrush charger, my mouse, my headphones. It's everywhere.
Day 3 at Steamboat, and we are skiing in a whiteout conditions. It's awesome powder day today, and we're working hard out here.
No complaints.
Can't see a thing up here. I've been having to wave my poles in the air just so Courtney can see me. Try to show her which way to go. Oh, there she is. Hey, Courtney. Courtney got ahead of behind me. I'm gonna try to catch back up. Woohoo! No lines here, it's an awesome day. What do you think?
Holy cow, I'm tired.
So tomorrow we're going to Bluebird, and we know we need to save some energy for that, but it's pretty fun out here, huh?
It's insane. This is a bit of an unanticipated issue, but we've got some thermal bridging happening on the rivet heads under the bed, which is causing some moisture accumulation. Our dendri is working and the moisture is not wicking up into the mattress, but we need to break the thermal bridge so that we stop ending up with the moisture. Luckily, it may be snowing, but the sun is out today, so I think we're gonna be able to get this dried up pretty quickly.
So we built the camper to add stiffness up in the bed area. We embedded some aluminum square tubing in a couple spots along the way, but now we have some pretty bad thermal bridging causing condensation and moisture. So we got this insulation pipe wrap. It's got a self-adhesive foam and foil, and we're adding it in all those spots to try to break our thermal bridge and stop the condensation.
That also means that there's a mattress taking up the entire rest of our camper. So we're trying to get this done so that we can cook dinner. The not so glamorous side to living in a truck camper, doing laundry. My house is a mess right now. I appreciate you guys looking out for Boone, and a few of you recommended pipe insulation on his dog bucket, so we're gonna do that right now. What? No, you can't lick the camera. Stop it. This is a shout out for Erin because someone has to keep the world from falling apart while we're gone, and she's managing our vacation rental, our mail, basically our life. And we just got a package from some stuff at home that we needed, but I think there might be a little extracurricular in here.
Are those donuts?
Too.
Donuts?
Oh boy, thank you, Erin. If you're enjoying this series, we would really appreciate if you could hit the like button and drop a comment below.